In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts on Brevo. If you're looking to get a handle on your contact lists, organizing them, or migrating them to another platform, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to export your contact data with ease. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Brevo account. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a menu. Here, you'll want to click on the Contacts tab. This tab is your gateway to everything contacts related, and it's where all your lists and contact details reside. After clicking, you'll find yourself on the Contacts page. Take a moment to review the lists and decide which contacts you want to export. This is important as it determines how you'll proceed with the export. Next, if you haven't already, filter your contacts to narrow down exactly what you wish to export. For instance, you might only want to export a specific segment or group of contacts. Brevo offers filtering options to make this process straightforward. Simply use the search or filter functions to pinpoint the contacts you need. Once you've carefully selected or filtered your desired contacts, look towards the top of the contact list interface. You'll see a button labeled Export. Click on this button to start the export process. At this point, a small pop-up menu will appear on your screen. This menu is where you'll define the details of your export. You'll be asked to specify the type of export you need. Typically, you'll want to export to a CSV file because it's widely supported by other software and makes it easy to manipulate data using programs like Excel. Confirm your choice by proceeding through the necessary prompts, and let Brevo do its thing. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your export is underway. The actual export process will only take a few moments, depending on the size of your contact list. While your data is processing, it might be a good time to take a quick coffee break. Once the export is complete, Brevo will provide you with a download link. Check your email inbox for a message from Brevo containing this link. Open the email, click the download link, and save the file to a safe and accessible location on your device. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Brevo. Remember, exporting is incredibly useful when you want to back up your contact data or move it to another application. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider exploring other functionalities Brevo offers to make the most of your email marketing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.